And today we're going to show you how to make it slowly. But you have to add quickly. So first we have warm water, baking soda, and a tissue, some vinegar, and coloring. If you want color. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the baking soda into the napkin, which we've already done. Pour the warm water into the bag with a color soda.
Okay.
So we're just going to put one drop.
So you have a tissue with the baking soda and warm water. You're going to put food coloring in.
We're going to shake that up.
Okay.
Blue is winning! Oh, I mixed purple!
And then now,
Skater went purple.
okay, watch out.
We're gonna...
Okay, zip it up. Nice and tight.
Morgan! I don't think I can do it.
Uh-oh.
Okay!
Okay, put it on the ground.
We're gonna want to squeeze it. No!
No, Logan, don't.
Yeah!
It's expanding.
Logan,
No,
don't
Logan,
shake it.
stop.
Move it.
It's
My
getting
favorite
bigger.
part.
It's getting bigger. Is it gonna pop?
Oh, yeah!
Let's see. It's getting bigger. Well, you guys can say something while our viewers watch.
It's very it's getting bigger.
Mm-hmm.
Because there's air, it's like pressure, it's going wait.
It's creating gases.
It's creating gases inside.
Yeah.
And it's doing this, but it's gonna pop.
So how much baking soda did you put in that tissue?
Put 3 spoons.
3 spoons. And what are you gonna add next?
Now we're gonna add
Okay, go ahead.
just
Okay, that's good.
Now we just have to do 2 squirts. Now 2 squirts of the blue's gonna zip.
Okay, I'm gonna move this and then
There, that's the nice blue that we got. Zip it up an inch more. No.
let's move things out of the way because it might explode on you.
And
Okay, so you gotta stand up, Reagan, because it might explode because the bag's littler.
now
Let's get up, Logan.
you have to stand up because because okay, no, we're gonna
Close it all the way, Reagan.
close it all the way. I'm gonna squeeze it.
Squeeze it.
There.
Oh, there it goes. Is it expanding?
Just gotta wait.
And so, what's going on in that bag?
Gases are creating and it's getting bigger.
Mm-hmm. Flip it around.
Let's shake it together.
Yeah.
And it could explode anytime.
Oh! It happened!
Wait,
Uh-oh, move!
Oh!
Okay, no, it's okay. All right, say goodbye, guys.
Goodbye!